Hey, what's up everyone? So I just got this OmniShaver and this shave butter, and I'm gonna try it out for the first time. This is the first time actually using this OmniShaver, so we're about to see what's going on. So basically it says to apply a thin layer of shave butter to damp skin. So I'm gonna go ahead and damp my head. All right. And I'm going to apply a small layer of the shea butter. So we'll see how it goes. Again, this is my first time ever using this little the shaver. So I'm not a pro. This is actually like my third time actually shaving my head. So definitely a beginner on this stuff right here. So it says you gotta press down on it, and like a back and forth motion because it's dual blades or directional. So we'll see how it goes. Hopefully I can get it. So it seems to be going pretty good. It's actually shaving really well and pretty quick too. It's actually a lot better than a razor, so that's a plus. What's really cool is you can go like front and back like pretty quick. I don't know about the whole rinsing out thing, so I'm just going to rinse it out real quick. Sorry guys if I use the water and you guys are like water savers, but it actually works really good. This is pretty awesome. The shea butter is awesome, by the way. It's actually working really good. The two spots on my forehead are from my my sunglasses from earlier. So don't try to take that from the razor, because it's not from the razor at all. It's from my sunglasses. So far this razor is awesome. It's really smooth. Sorry about my white head. Again, like I said, this is like my third time actually shaving my head. I actually need to go out in the sun. But as you can tell, this razor works awesome. If you're on the verge of buying this razor, I would definitely buy this razor. If you're on the verge of getting it or thinking about getting it, definitely go out and buy it. Again, this is like my first time using this razor. OmniShave is not paying me to make this video. But yeah. I could probably go a lot faster. But again, like I said, this is like my only third time doing this. But yeah, it's pretty smooth. Anyway guys, hey, OmniShaver, this thing is awesome. Thanks guys for definitely ordering this and hitting me up. The shea butter is really awesome. Everything is really slick, really clean, really smooth right now. I have no issues. And hey guys, thanks, appreciate it. Definitely go check out OmniShaver and get you one. They're awesome. Thanks guys, bye.